Hello and welcome to the third part of the tutorial series of Workframe. I am Mihir Patil from Bentley Systems and this is Pro Structures Connect edition. In the previous video, we saw how grid lines of a workframe can be edited and also viewed some settings related to access descriptions. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a combined workframe for an unsymmetrical structure. These complex structures need a complex workframe made by combining two or more workframes. We need to create a small workframes and combine them to form a large, complex workframe for the whole structure. With the ProStructures workframe tool, it is possible to create a combined workframe and easy to detail any complex structures. Select the workframe tool and place it at the desired location. Enter the grid values as per your requirement. Now, select the workframe which we have placed here. Copy and paste it at the one of the corners of the original workframe. For example, we will try to form a combined workframe for an L-shaped structure. After placing the workframe settings dialog will open. We will modify the dimensions of the new workframe as per the shape of the structure. After entering appropriate values, an L-shaped combined workframe is formed. In this case, the access descriptions of the combined workframe are not in the proper sequence and need to be modified. Access descriptions of the x-axis are repeated and are not in alphabetical order. In the workframe settings dialog, under the text tab, open the settings dialog for individual access descriptions. Turn off repeated or overwritten access descriptions by double-clicking on the invisible column in the front of the axis which needs to be turned off. In our case, we will turn off axis A because you can see it is overwritten on axis F. To maintain the alphabetical order of descriptions, we will edit the access descriptions manually from the main axis column. Now, we will modify the access descriptions of y-axis from the individual settings under the text Y tab. Repeat the same procedure and edit the required descriptions manually to maintain the numerical order along the y-axis. I have turned off visibility of repeated access and there is no need to edit the descriptions manually because the descriptions are now in numerical order. Our combined workframe is now ready and we can proceed with the further detailing of this structure. In this way, we can create combined workframes using the workframe tool and easily detail any complex structures. I hope you have found this video insightful. If you have any questions, please type them in the comment section below or contact the Bentley Technical Support. See you in the next video in this series. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you can be alerted to new video in the series.